Hey everyone, welcome back to the Review Hub. If you're a vlogger, content creator, or aspiring YouTube personality, you already know that visual quality is just half the battle. The other half is audio. In 2025, viewers expect studio-level sound even from mobile setups, so choosing the right microphone is more crucial than ever. With newer technologies like adaptive noise cancellation, companion smartphone apps, and USB-C/Type-C direct connectivity, the leading choices are evolving fast. Number 5. Rode VideoMicro II. Performance. In real-world use, the Rode VideoMicro II delivers clear, natural voice with good rejection of ambient noise when riding in a car or filming outdoors. Its performance holds solid even in windy or echoey environments. Technology and features. This mic features a supercardioid condenser capsule, high-pass filter, and optional digital pad. It also supports a companion app for firmware updates and gain adjustment, which is rare in this class in 2025. Design and build. Compact aluminum body with matte black finish, shock mount included, and a minimalistic look. The layout is intuitive. Physical gain dial, pad switch, and a recessed 3.5mm input. Weight and portability. Weighs just 85 grams, making it ideal for on-camera mounting or handheld use. Battery life or power usage. No battery, it draws phantom power or plug-in power from a host device. That means fewer worries about runtimes. Compatibility or connectivity. Connects via 3.5mm TRS or TRRS. Works with DSLRs, mirrorless, audio recorders, and even some phones with correct adapter. Durability, warranty, and awards. Rode gives a 1-year warranty plus optional extension. Rugged build, and the predecessor has won multiple Best on Camera Mic awards in content creator reviews. Pros. Excellent value for its price. Very compact and lightweight. Decent ambient rejection for noisy locations. Cons. Lacks USB or digital output. No onboard battery, reliant on host power. Best for or ideal use. Ideal for travel vloggers, run-and-gun creators, or as a mic you keep always on camera. Price and value. Retails around USD 120 to 140. Compared to competitors, it gives nearly pro-level audio in a budget segment, making it one of the best value microphone for vloggers in 2025. Final verdict. A superb entry-level mic that punches above its weight, perfect for creators wanting solid audio without overspending. Number 4. DJI Mic 2. Performance. In practice, the DJI Mic 2 delivers crisp, intimate voice pickup with minimal background hum even in busy city streets or cafes. Voice clarity remains high during dynamic movement. Technology and features. This is a dual-channel wireless system with 24-bit by 48Hz transmission, real-time app monitoring, built-in recording to micro SD, and intelligent channel switching. In 2025, its latency and stability remain top tier. Design and build. The transmitters are sleek and thin with magnetic mounts. The receiver/charging case is robust, with OLED displays and logic controls. The aesthetic is modern and functional. Weight and portability. Each transmitter weighs only 30 grams, receiver about 45 grams. Ultra portable and ideal for clipping on clothing. Battery life or power usage. Up to 9 hours per charge, transmitter, and up to 22 hours total in the case, cumulative usage. Excellent endurance for long shots. Compatibility or connectivity. Connects via USB-C, 3.5mm, or Lightning with adapter. Works seamlessly with cameras, phones, and computers. Durability, warranty, and awards. IPX4 splash resistance, quality materials, and DJI's 1-year warranty. It's one best wireless system for vloggers in gear reviews for 2025. Pros. True wireless freedom. Onboard reporting backup. App monitoring and control. Cons. Slightly more expensive than budget mics. Dual units may be overkill for solo creators. Best for or ideal use. Great for interview-style videos, travel vlogs, and situations where cable freedom is essential. Price and value. Expect around $299 to $349 USD. Given its feature set, wireless, plus backup recording, plus app, it's a competitive mid-tier microphone for vloggers in 2025. Final verdict. A powerhouse wireless mic system that balances flexibility, reliability, and quality. Number 3. Shure MV7 V2. Performance. In studio or field use, the Shure MV7 V2 captures rich, clear vocals and handles close miking with minimal proximity effect. It excels for voiceover, vlogs, and podcast-style recordings. Technology and features. This version upgrades with high-speed USB-C 96 kHz support, onboard DSP, compressor limiter and EQ, and direct multi-track streaming. Shure's Motive app gives real-time control on PC or mobile. Design and build. Professional, rugged, all-metal chassis with a built-in stand mount and user-friendly control knobs and touchpad backlit controls. Weight and portability. At 250 grams, it's heavier than compact mics, better suited for desk or studio rigs rather than on-camera mounting. Battery life or power usage. Bus powered via USB, no separate battery required as long as your device supplies adequate USB current. Compatibility or connectivity. USB-C, plug and play, XLR with pass-through. For hybrid setups, works with PCs, Macs, and mobile devices via adapters. Durability, warranty, and awards. Shure's reputation for durability is legendary, includes a 2-year warranty. It's consistently top-ranked in professional and creator gear comparisons. Pros: broadcast-level audio quality. Dual USB plus XLR, flexible. Built-in DSP, EQ, and app control. Cons: heavier, less portable. Requires stable mounting and desk space. Best for or ideal use. Perfect for studio, home-based creators, voiceover work, or serious vloggers focusing on dialogue-heavy content. Price and value. Around $300 to $350 USD. Considering the performance and features, it competes strongly with many pricier studio mics, a solid investment for serious creators. Final verdict: a hybrid workhorse that bridges studio sound and creator convenience. Number 2. Sennheiser MKE 600 Pro X. Performance. In field tests, the MKE 600 Pro X delivers ultra-clean audio with excellent rejection of ambient noise, even in loud street or event scenes. Dialogue remains crisp under challenging conditions. Technology and features. This shotgun mic includes Sennheiser's new Barrett-style capsule, low-noise preamp, switchable high-pass and attenuator, and, in 2025, a companion app to monitor levels. Design and build. Long, narrow shotgun profile with rugged metal construction. The finish is matte black and controls are recessed to prevent accidental toggles. Weight and portability. Weighs around 160 grams, still manageable for on-camera mounting, boom, or hybrid setups. Battery life or power usage. Powered by AA battery around 80 hours or Phantom 48-volt, flexible power support. Compatibility or connectivity. XLR output plus a 3.5mm adapter included. Works with professional cameras, audio recorders, and interfaces. Durability, warranty, and awards. Built to last, includes a 2-year warranty. Sennheiser's reputation in broadcast and film gear adds confidence in longevity and performance. Pros: superb audio rejection in noisy settings. Professional level sound in a compact shotgun form. No companion app support. Cons: requires battery or phantom power. Slightly more expensive than basic on-camera mics. Best for or ideal use. Ideal for location shoots, documentary vloggers, short film creators, and any scenario needing directional audio. Price and value. Expect around $450 to $500 USD. For film-level quality in a portable package, it's a worthwhile buy. One of the best high-performance microphones for vloggers in 2025. Final verdict: a directional champ. Everything you want for clean audio in real-world scenes. Number 1. Rode Wireless Pro Kit, 2nd generation. Performance. In real-world shooting, the Rode Wireless Pro Kit 2nd generation provides pristine, broadcast-grade audio even in tricky conditions. Wind, streets, crowd noise. Voice remains clear and consistent. Latency is negligible. Technology and features. You get 32-bit float onboard recording, dual-channel wireless, internal FFM series, 96 kHz by 24-bit streaming, onboard DSP, and Rode's Control Companion app for full remote control. It supports automatic smart gain and fail-safe record modes. Cutting-edge technology for 2025. Design and build. Transmitters are sleek, magnetic clip-on with OLED display. The receiver is compact yet rugged, with tactile controls and mounting options. Premium finishes and intuitive layout give it a pro feel. Weight and portability. Each transmitter around 30 grams, receiver about 50 grams, ultra-light. You can even clip transmitters under clothing or in pockets. Battery life. Up to 12 hours per unit, plus extra reserve via receiver, ample for full-day shoots. Compatibility or connectivity. Supports USB-C, 3.5mm TRS/TRRS, and digital USB output. Works with phones, cameras, computers, and external mixers. Durability, warranty, and awards. IP54 rated splash and dust resistance. Rode backs it with a 2-year warranty with registration. It's receiving buzz as a top-rated system for creator gear reviews for 2025. Pros: versatile, onboard plus wireless recording, extremely low latency and high fidelity, top-tier value relative to features. Cons: slightly more expensive than basic mics. You might never use all advanced features. Best for or ideal use. Perfect all-in-one system for serious handheld, self-shooting, interviews, and professional vlogging setups. Price and value. Retailing around $399 to $449 USD. Given the comprehensive feature set, it's arguably the best value flagship microphone for vloggers in 2025. Final verdict. A true all-star, combining studio features, wireless convenience, and high audio quality in one streamlined kit. Thanks for watching our deep dive into the top 5 microphone for vloggers in 2025. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, leave a comment telling me which mic you'd pick, and absolutely subscribe for more gear guides. Want to see a full comparison between Rode Wireless Pro and DJI Mic 2? I've got a video right here. Which mic would you pick for your next shoot?